welcome back to the channel. So next numerical, if the potential in the region of a space near the point -2, 4, 6 meter is V is equal to 60 x square plus 60 y square volt, what are the three components of the electric field at that point? Means we have got here expression of potential and we have to find electric component of electric field. So recently we have got a relation, and that relation is relationship between electric field and potential, which is known as a potential gradient. This is relation we have got. Electric field is equal to minus dV by dr, and this term is known as potential gradient, or which is relationship between electric field and potential. So here expression for electric potential is given by 60 x square plus 60 y square, and what we have to find? Electric component of electric field, means electric field along x-axis question mark, electric field along y-axis which is also unknown, and electric field along z-axis. We have to find these three component. So first component, E is equal to dV by dr. So electric component of electric field along x-axis, that means Ex will be equal to minus dV by dx. Means if we differentiate this expression of electric potential with respect to x, so we will get electric component of electric field, electric component of electric field along x-axis. So Ex is equal to minus d by dx, and V is equal to 60 x square plus 60 y square. Means differentiate this equation with respect to x. So Ex is equal to minus d by dx 60 x square minus d by dx 60 y square. So Ex is equal to minus 60 is common, so d by dx x square, and d by dx 60 y square, which is constant. So differentiation of constant, any constant will be always 0. So Ex is equal to minus 60, and d by dx x square, we will get differentiation of this x square with respect to x, 2x. So Ex is equal to minus 60 into 2, 120x. But keep in mind, we have to find this component of electric field exactly at x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, Ex at x is equal to what? Minus 2. So replace this value of x with minus 2, minus 120 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 120 plus 240. So electric field along x-axis at x is equal to minus 2 will be 240, and unit will be volt per meter. Okay. Now calculate second component, Ey. And Ey is equal to minus d by dy of 60 x square plus 60 y square. Ey is equal to minus d by dy 60 x square minus d by dy 60 y square. D by dy of 60 x square, which is a constant value, and differentiation of any constant value will be always 0. So Ey is equal to minus 0. It will be, first one will be 0, minus 60 will be common, just take outside, d by dy y square. Ey is equal to minus 60, and d by dy y square, differentiation of y square with respect to y will be 2y. So Ey is equal to 60 into 2 minus 120y. But we have to find this electric field at y is equal to 4. So Ey at y is equal to 4 is equal to minus 120 into 4, which is equal to minus 480 volt per meter. And third component Ez. So minus d by dz is minus d by dz of v, and v is equal to 60 x square plus 60 y square. This term contain x and y, and we have to differentiate this expression with respect to z. Means this complete expression will be treated as a constant, and differentiation of any constant value will be always 0. So Ez will be 0. So finally we have got these three component of electric field. First component, electric field Ex, which is found to be 240 voltmeter, and Ey, which is equal to minus 480 volt per meter, and Ez is equal to 0.